have our 22-foot growing dome. This is the original size that everything else was based off of. This size of growing dome is great for those that may be a little bit more limited on space, but still want the opportunity to grow trees, as well as have plenty of growing room and a little area to hang out. This growing dome comes standard with 4 venting panels, which are automatic with a temperature-sensitive piston. There's 2 on the bottom and 2 on the top. There's also a hybrid intake fan for additional airflow, a solar-powered water feature, and a solar-powered undersoil system. When it comes to options for this size of growing dome, you can add additional intake fans, you can add an additional lower vent, you can also upgrade the solar-powered components to electric if you desire, and you can add a misting system. Let's head on inside. With 22 feet in diameter, we have about 380 square feet to work with, and we also have a center point of 10 feet, 10 inches high here in the dome. As you can see, we have a fig tree in here, and we've also utilized a keyhole design with our raised beds, which will make it easier for us to harvest these figs when it's time, as well as reach some of our other plants that might be a little bit harder to get to. Even with all of this, we still have an area designated for hanging out and a little seating space for us to enjoy. Our hybrid solar fan comes with its own solar panel and will operate when the sun is shining until it drops below about 14 volts. At that point, the fan will shut off and you have the opportunity to plug it into electricity. It also comes with its own thermostat. This is our electric fan. As you can see, it's a bit more powerful than the hybrid fan is. And this is a great option for those that live in a really hot climate and need that extra CFM for airflow. It's a good idea to grow things in front of this fan that benefit from extra air movement. So you could do things like squash, like we have here. Cucumbers are another good option. Tomatoes do great. Or you can opt for root crops, as we've done here. I've got some carrots that are just about ready.